It's a very proud moment for us today. IDFC Bank is launching its operations, its branch in Goa, and we are located in Panjim at Swami Vivekananda Road at Milrock Lar Menezes, the ground floor.
We launched our first branch, we were inaugurated by the Prime Minister that time. And since then, in the last 2 years, we have grown in footprint. We have been almost everywhere. The idea of what we wanted to do was, we wanted to be a bank for masses, for large spectrum of customers, not just a niche set of customers, into rural segments, into urban segments, almost everywhere. That was the whole idea that we started off with.
But just a little more on the background, you're aware about IDFC Limited being there, and it's been an infrastructure finance company. So we got the license, and what happened then was that all businesses that could be done in the bank had to move from IDFC to the bank. That was part of our licensing norms. So we started out with the largest balance sheet for a new bank, but it's a big, fat, heavy balance sheet because it comes with a lot of infra lending as part of what the book was. And then we started the rest of the operations.
Apart from the segments that we spoke about, I also just spoke about the technology that we were trying to get into place. So technology is one key pillar of what we are trying to kind of drive when it comes to the banking. This is the current footprint. We are already in last 2 years, we are like in 25 states. We are covering 670 cities. And you can see that our focus on rural segment is being very heavy. We are in 45,000 villages already, and we are growing very fast, almost in all segments. We have 17,000 point of presence. These are the places where our customers can do banking. These are not branches, but point of presence where our people, and we'll showcase some of the stuff here on how our customers can interact with us, how can they get in touch with us. 17,000 already. We have 135 branches. These are full-fledged branches.
अभी हम रूरल एरियाज में डेवलप कर रहे हैं अभी, जहाँ पे बैंक पहुँच नहीं पाता, जहाँ पे हम लोग किराना स्टोर या स्टेशनरी स्टोर्स में एक पॉइंट बिता दें। इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, नया अकाउंट खोल सकते हैं IDFC बैंक का, कौन से बैंक का कैश डिपॉजिट, कैश विड्रॉल कर सकते हैं, आधार बेस प्लस कार्ड, ATM कार्ड हो भी तो भी चलेगा, और आधार से भी IMPS से हम फंड ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं। IMPS है फंड ट्रांसफ़र से किसी भी अकाउंट में पैसा जमा कर सकते हैं। आधार फंड ट्रांसफ़र है, बैलेंस इंक्वायरी किसी भी अकाउंट का कर सकते हैं। इसमें हम FD/RD कर सकते हैं, जो भी बैंक जैसा खुलता है ऐसा इसमें FD/RD भी खुलता है। मिनी स्टेटमेंट निकलेगा। बिल पेमेंट्स है, अपना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, डिश टीवी रिचार्ज, मोबाइल रिचार्ज, वो भी इसमें रहेगा। और आधार पे, जो सर ने बोला आधार पे ऐसा रहेगा जो हम बैंक मोबाइल में डाल के देंगे उनको, एक छोटा डिवाइस रहेगा फिंगरप्रिंट का, तो उसमें आधार पेमेंट भी कर सकते हैं।